there is a beautiful story, another story. There was a sage, a devotee rishi called Katyayan. So sage doesn't want anything, doesn't require anything. But when he praying to the Mother Divine appeared and said, "What do you want?" And he said, "I want you to be my daughter. I want you to have my surname." So that is how Durga became Katyayani. The name Katyayani is the divine assuming the surname of the devotee. So it's not that you assume the surname of your father and your mother, but your name is taken by the divine as well. Just imagine how it feels if your surname is being taken by the ruler of the whole universe. Isn't it? It's a different kind of thrill. So here, Katyayani is that power of Mother Divine who bestows all wishes, and that consciousness which assumes your identity as its own. All that you are is attributed to the consciousness of Mother Divine. Whatever you are, all that belongs to Mother Divine. So here Katyayani is that energy, that force that takes away all your limited identities and make you realize even those limited identities are divine. We try to get rid of our identity, go beyond our identity. Here, honoring all our identity as part of the consciousness, as that which belongs to the consciousness, and as that which the Mother Divine is going to take it eternally. चलिए अभी ध्यान करते हैं. Let us sit comfortably. आप अपनी दृष्टि को कहीं त्राटक कर सकते हैं, ज़मीन पे रख सकते हैं. You can keep your attention on the floor or you can close your eyes, whatever is convenient. You can start with keeping your eyes open for a few minutes and then you may close. पहले आंखें खुला रखें थोड़ी देर के लिए, कुछ क्षण के लिए, बाद में बंद कर लें. आपका नाम यदि भगवती ने ले लिया हो, आपके पुत्री के रूप में, आपके सब भाव गुण वो सब भगवती ने अपना ले लिए हो, तो कैसा लगेगा आपको? जो कुछ भी आप हो और आपके पास है वो सब आपको छोड़ना ही है. वो सब भगवती ले लेती है, वो उनका हो गया, ऐसे मान लें. Just imagine a Mother Divine takes it all from you, inherits everything, including your name and all your qualities, and turns them all into divine and eternal. The I in you is being taken away by the Mother Divine. Leaving you free, uplifted and blissful. हमारी सभी कामनाओं को पूरा करके, हमारी सभी इच्छाओं को जो ले लेती है और हमको आनंदित, प्रसन्न और तृप्त कर देती। आंखें बंद कर ले, मैं क्लोज योर आईज, लेट गो ऑफ एवरीथिंग। आप सब कुछ छोड़कर विश्राम करें। Let go everything and just rest. Let the body be the way it is. Pleasant feeling or unpleasant feeling, let just be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Just let it be. Some stress, some stiffness, some unpleasant or pleasant sensation anywhere in the body, let it be, let it freeze just now and be. शरीर में जो भी है, अच्छा बुरा, सुख और दुख और दर्द जो भी है, वैसे शिला रूप में हो जाए। Let everything freeze in the body and mind. शरीर और मन स्तब्ध हो जाए। Just become aware of the vastness of the universe. अनंतता को याद कर ले। विशाल गगन है, अरबों तारे सितारे। मन को फैलने दें, शरीर को स्थिर रहने दें। Let the body be frozen and the mind keep expanding. A gentle awareness of the vastness of the universe. एक हल्का सा भाव विशालता का बना रहे। प्रयत्न सब छोड़ दे। Let go of all the efforts. अब मन को फैलाने की चेष्टा भी छोड़ दें। Even let go the least effort of trying to expand. Let go and let be. इसी वक्त आपका चित्त प्रसन्न है। प्रसन्न करने की आवश्यकता नहीं, वो है ही। दिस मोमेंट योर माइंड इज blissful, is in a pleasant state. It is. Don't have to do anything for it. जैसे निद्रा में हम भी खो जाते हैं, हम भी नहीं रहते हैं, ऐसा ही इस वक्त आप भी नहीं, सब कुछ छोड़ दें। Like in sleep, even the awareness is dissolved. Let it be. Let go of your attention on awareness. Let go of your effort to keep the awareness. Just let go totally. इन सब के बीच में माँ का ज्योत है, ज्योति रूप में। In midst of all this is the energy, the flame of consciousness, the flame of Mother. Let go, simply be. विश्राम करें, छोड़ दें सब प्रयत्न। Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते गहरी सांस लीजिए और धीरे धीरे सांस छोड़े. Take a deep breath in with a smile and breathe out with a sense of contentment. Become aware of your body and surroundings. And slowly and gradually you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे आप आंखें खोल सकते हैं.